Okay, this is Mama Ketres. She's just getting ready to go to Chuuk. Hey, wow! Can I have some? A little bit? Wait. Let's see that. Okay. Wait. Oh. Can I have a little bit? Woo! What? This one. Thank you. Dinner. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, or welcome back to another day. Obviously this is not the same day. It's the next day or couple days after when we first after we shot the video, when we started loading the container. So obviously you probably know that we send off another container to Chuuk. This is particularly for donation to our churches and our hospital. I want to say thank you to all the people that were involved in putting all the donations that are going to Chuuk. I want to say thank you. Obviously this is not going to be the first, or I mean this is not going to be the last time that we're going to do this. So I want to take this opportunity to invite you all. I know it's already too late because we've already sent off the container, and I just want to let you know or invite everybody out there, especially if you're from Chuuk. Chuuk, Gabo, and me, yeah, get on know, yeah, get me willing to help. Ne parare si gits ne send off donation. Ngeri sugud, ngeri hospital, ngeri churches. It's a bunny fit. Unfortunately, it's really kind of difficult to pinpoint on what particular groups at Siputori M3E met Satori Ari Afangir. So at least for now, Satak Niriatsko Muchefer was up. You but Nirik Fitu Muchefer Aragiriatsko donation and also the hospital. So if you're willing to help us, like I said, it's already too late, but if you're willing to help us, whether it's money, whether it's used clothing or hygienes, shampoo, soap, a lot of the things that we sent or we had in the containers, it's stuff that we bought from Walmart, stuff that we got from Dollar Tree, from Goodwill, Value Village, the thrift store, or I don't know what you call those kind of store, but anyway, it's stuff that that are pretty cheap. We're doing this not because we have money, but we're doing this because we wanted to show our support to our family in Chuuk, the people in the hospital, whoever whoever that find the need to benefit from the donation that we have. So mind you, we have people from these churches here in Washington, even people from here, they're willing to help, or they've already donated a lot of stuff from a lot of stuff to donated to our churches in Chuuk or the hospital, school supplies, anything, you name it. And so we're fortunate enough to have those kind of people that have the heart to get involved and just show their support. And so right now I'm asking for all of you folks out there, Chuuk medicine, me but mefi but pusit non ngasagasog me tori para next time. But too late pa from that container. But next time, we are fan zone. Donate. This is not a business. It's absolutely not a business. It was nothing personal. No personal stuff that was in that container. It was strictly donation. So we've had a few people that wanted to bring in their personal stuff in the container, but there's always another time for that. But right now the network sentiri at a container donation, and we we had a good amount of donation in that container. Metric sa Papa Rip, Safatik Mefiat Papa. It's all for the glory of God. When you know that God is playing, is in your heart, um, and you're willing to help your own people, Safats Guraro Supalchu, and so um, why not help them out? I challenge ngiri kevi chochu, yachak, mi par kata nuchi video, yakin na it is me got party way or me. I totally understand. I mean party way the but trust whoever is taking care of that. I absolutely respect that. Um, yeah, me but pusi willing find some options and uh, other options and alternatives sa kubutori but suggest that maybe I can do this instead of doing that. Uh, container by all means. So next time, Gaurat's container, we'll probably post another video and just kind of invite everybody who is willing to help Narachi container. Um, I challenge. This is probably never gonna happen. Even the businesses in Chuuk. Maybe it's good. Maybe it's good to at least give back to the community. If you're willing to help for this cause, and if you happen to like swing by Washington, me for Paro Rob chance talk to this our folks about that kind of situation. Contribute donation to the hospital. Uh, it's time for everybody to look after each other. Yeah, see, gets me today, but money gram. It's making good money because of people like you out there. You're sending off money back home to help our family, which is really good. And this could be another opportunity for you to also take part of it. Yeah, like I said, this is not strictly going to go to any particular groups of people. Or family, but take part of this commitment. But adding this not very much true. Ngeriak hospital in general, that's really good. Yeah, check party. Container. If you're willing to help, please help us out. This is not for our channel. This is strictly not for our channel. This is for our church. Muchefet, Arkot Muchefet. Okay. Vera, siapa pacu, Abby pan, Tongeri Kevi, Medisit, siapa pan, Sire, John, Cotton. Vera, siapa pacu, Kiso Red Abby pan, 50.
Someone go. What is up, guys? It's your boy Elston, and we're at church just donating the stuff for Chuuk. And all right, listen. I'm gonna start it. What's this? Woo! What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Marlson, and today we're at a church donating some stuff to Chuuk, because we back there in Chuuk where my parents were born, they need some stuff, so we're gathering as a church to donate stuff. And don't forget to smash that like button for Chuuk. And thank you for all those subscribers. And yeah, see you guys in a little bit. And we're out. Ooh! Janice! 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 Janice, look! Say hi, guys! Everything. Hey, weekend. It's your boy, I'm Josina. Let me show you the stuff that we've been donating. This is the boxes. There's some more stuff over there. Oh, all those are going into
right into that.
They said not that one yet. That's what they said on Gluschenko.
Okay, let's go check. See you guys in a little bit. Let's go see what is in that container. What? Okay, let's go. Let's go see what they're doing. What's wrong with us because we haven't been vlogging, but it's because we had some stuff happening. So yeah. Okay. Hey Emilio, got anything to say, bro?
What's up, man?
What's in there?
It's closed for Loza.
Okay. Hi, Mom. You got anything to say? Okay, these are shoes that are going to Chuuk.
Inspecting the stuff before it ships out.
Those are more stuff. Austin, you got anything to say? I got only one thing to say. What are those? Alright, see you guys in the...
What is up, guys? It's Elston. Now I'm vlogging, and we're just gonna go to the container, see what's in there. Yeah.
That's it.
Hey! Hey! Stop!
Space no. Hey.
Now I'm just gonna go to my mom and see what they're doing now. Yeah? Okay. I have to go ask them for a marker, and then we have to come back. Okay. Mom, they need a marker.
Wait, the game. What was that for?
Mom, they need a marker. Mom, they need a marker.
Where's the marker? She needs it.
Hey guys.
This is what you get.
What?
Nothing.
Yeah, you don't exercise. Why you don't exercise?
Don't take that one down.
Alright. Try to help out people in Chuuk. Get all these things done.
Ready? Hi, YouTube.
What's that?
That was codes
Oh,
from Yuki. So all those Chuuk,
get over here so you can get in the like.
for all those Chuuk people out there, it was from Yuki. And
Yeah, you can.
yeah,
Get in there so I can see you, just like Jimmy.
can you see me?
Yuki.
Cool. So you see those Coach Chuuk fans out there? This is from Yuki. So shout out to everybody that donated. Yeah.
You're too close. Move it, move it. All right, guys. So these are all the stuff that's going to Chuuk inside the container. See, there's more. All of these are donations. Chuuk hospital, the churches. And we're very fortunate to have people help out and contribute to child Feruats. Did you get the tape? Ito na po ito.
May paurot and then
I need it for the box.
Oh, Marcel, get this one. Get this one. Get this one. Apa natin na pwede dito? Iyan, iyan, ito. Kevin, ja på vet på bakiwan.
Iyan, ika-ikini cooler.
Ah.
Coco, rice, and kung pa yun
You
na.
guys finished it?
And you are mo.
You guys finished it?
Yeah. Sinadyak siya po yung inisang wansa.
Ja, weet je. Maar het is er op positie.
Marquito one. Yung inisang, hinaharap ko ba ito pa ito?
Garlic salt, maybe see. Honey salt daw mo Me salt.
Music zo wat doe je weer? Alright, Emilio.
No stop.
Oh.
You can hold it.
Yes, sir.
How do you see Emilio?
My back hurts. What?
What's up, guys? I'm gonna be the
Can you
next
turn this thing
vlogger.
Wait.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the M3E game.
Jenna, what's this container for?
Ministry donations to Beria Losop and gifts for the anniversary ICC wood.
Oh, I see.
Don't forget hospital.
So,
Oh, and our ministry to the hospital for all the patients.
so all of this stuff are just. Is it personal stuff or for its
No.
donation?
No personal.
No personal?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Jene, mi oran Jene for personal.
No. Don't believe her.
Okay. All right. So, Mouser, what's this? What's this container for?
For the people in Chuuk.
Huh?
For the people in Chuuk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, do you have any suggestion, or do you have anything to say to other churches or other people that who may be
Please,
interested in helping out next time we send off another one?
please donate now. Call at 425. I'm just kidding. Hey, Hey, I'm gonna take away my heart.
Yeah, take a picture of me and Nelson.
Go up there, Marcy.
Hi.
I cannot climb up there.
I can't climb. I can't climb.
Well, Emilio.
No, I can't.
Head over to
Watch out. Let me get on.
One.
Oh.
Hey,
Janice,
come on.
Janice, smile for the picture.
Gonna stand up. Bottom. I'm gonna fall down. No.
Careful, Nanita.
So, are you guys going inside this container?
Yeah.
This container.
We'll see you guys in a month.
Yeah, we will see you guys in a month.
Yeah, we
Oh,
are.
yeah?
I'm getting broke.
What's that? This is the only food we have.
Yeah, we are flooded.
Just two pieces of nut butter.
And then they're gonna say you guys are illegal immigrants.
We have all the water.
Oh yeah, we have a lot of water. We can survive.
Right here.
Nanita. Right.
My sniper is fall down.
Okay, say bye-bye, Janice. Say bye-bye.
Oh, wait.
Say bye. Bye.
No, you sit on it. Wanna get down too?
Say bye.
I got it, bro. I can do it. Alright, guys, this is the end of the video. I'm sorry if it was short, but we just wanted to tell you guys that we're still vlogging, but we just took a break. Don't forget to smash that like button, and for the Chuuk people, and thank you for all those donators for the container, and thank you for all those subscribers. See you guys in the next one.
Okay. Eston, do you want to say something?
Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's it.
That's it.
And what I gotta say is, and we're out.
Alright guys, you guys are awesome. It's ridiculous. We'll see you guys on the next vlog. Thanks again for watching. Sorry about the vlogging in the dark. We want to say thank you again. It's been so wild, so many weeks that we have stopped vlogging, and for some reason that we were not able to continue with the vlogging. But now we're back again, and yes, thank you again. So don't forget, the next time we send out another container, and if you guys are interested in helping out and donate to our people in Chuuk, please feel free to let us know. All right, thank you guys. See you guys. Peace.